this man breathes through his nose so powerfully while sleeping that every single item in the house gets pulled toward his nose. And his wife ends up holding onto the window. And as soon as he stops breathing in, she gets stuck to the wall. And he causes chaos all night long. Then in the morning, he wakes up and sneezes, and the whole house starts shaking. And when he gets out of the bedroom in the morning and looks around, he sees that the entire house is a mess and his wife is stuck to the wall. Then his wife gets an idea, and the next day when he goes to sleep, she puts a mask over his face and connects the mask to a vacuum cleaner. And when the fat man breathes, the vacuum cleaner helps clean the entire room. And when morning comes, the fat man sees that his room is as clean as before. Then his wife happily gives her husband a kiss and says, "I made lunch and left it on the table. You can eat it. I'm feeling sleepy, so I'm going to sleep." And then his wife goes to the bedroom and falls asleep. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.